Hi, my name is Amanda Summers with Kegane for Nepal, coming to you from Chaminarayan, Nepal. And I wanted to show you where we get our products for the women's group. So we made a short video, like a tour of the cotton factory where we get the cotton for the bags. And in this place, this is where they take it from start to finish. So we thought it would be enjoyable to you. So thank you for listening. I hope you enjoy. Rather than get our own cotton or Pashmina looms, as we had originally planned, we took a look at the local factories to find partner businesses. As you can see by this video, the women are quite happy and work mostly unsupervised, so we didn't want to compete with the local market that's already here. Many kind-hearted tourists also enjoy learning about the traditional textile making and original art, traditional art styles also. I strongly encourage you to support our traditional textiles, art modalities, and handicrafts industries. This is our partner factory. This is where the fabric for the bags we send with our 100% wool hat and glove sets. The cotton, or Pashmina, and in this case cotton, is brought in to be processed and turned into the final product. This is 100% cotton and hand-loomed by women, many of whom have suffered substantially from the recent earthquakes of 2015. As you can see by the video clips, the women at our partner's factory are content and are working at their own pace. This is like most traditional factories in Nepal. They're family owned and managed. These women are from the local Bhaktapur community, where over 1,000 people died during the earthquakes. Many workers in other factories, whether textile, tonka painting, or other art or handicraft, are from the owner's village in remote Nepal. Factories like this one, as well as our own work, provide well-paying jobs for people who are not educated and do not speak English. As I've written about in our blogs, women often have to get up at 5 a.m. to get through their housework, drawing water, milking the cow, or collecting foliage for the goats, then get on the bus for an hour and a half to go to work in Kathmandu, all for about $2 a day. Purchasing from these factories helps to support Nepal's fragile economy and allows women to have a better lifestyle. It also provides some of the best values on the planet while leaving the vast majority of the money in the hands of the local people. When you support such initiatives, you are getting an excellent value for your donation. We can pay good Nepali wages to our women and put the rest of the profit into a fund to help the women get out of their earthquake shelters and into their own earthquake-safe home. What I like best about our project is that it will only take 100 hat and glove sets to make an earthquake-safe house for one family. Your money really does go a lot further in Nepal. The way our project works is that we provide an income from the first day of training, plus a bonus for each hat they sell. The hats they make during training will be sent to the people in the high Himalayas. Here you can see Patricia, our lovely volunteer from Australia, and Thomas, our volunteer who is able to provide U.S. tax-deductible receipt for your donation, and will send you also the hand glove set. Not only does our partner's factory sell in his own little store on the back streets of Bhaktapur, but he also wholesales to many retail stores in the Kathmandu Valley. So I hope you learned something about Nepal's textile industry here. Please give our video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.